You guys want to hear the loudest garage? Demon, Challenger, unknown mods. Charger, unknown mods. Really fucking loud, that's the mods. Alright, so we'll start the Demon first.
Let's see.
The Demon. Start the Demon, it's the quietest. The Demon's the quietest.
Okay, the Demon.
Unfortunately.
So we've got too many keys.
Pretty decent, pretty decent. What?
Start yours?
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna start mine next.
Okay, this is David's car.
Ridiculously loud. Alright, so that's a good start to the video. A cold start for everybody from the Demon, the Challenger, the Charger. We truly do not know the horsepower of mine and Kevin's cars. We've never actually dynoed them since my new setup, and Kevin's never dynoed his. Although we have an idea of what they make, we don't know the true dyno numbers. But you guys know what they run. You've seen us at the track. But I've got a lot to do to the Hellcat. I just got a new file from Tim, a new map that we need to upload. So we threw a couple codes at the track now that I have the dual fuel pumps. So let's go ahead and turn mine off. So yeah, we are uploading a new tune file tonight. I finally got a diff brace for the Hellcat. Gonna install that on a different video, and I still have the sway bar end links that I need to install because I'm running a spacer with my 17s in the back, and it's really not the safest thing to do, but I did it so I could run at the track. But so we're gonna install that stuff. But on today's video, we're gonna upload the tune, take the car out, do some runs with it, see how it's running, and make sure everything is good to go for the next track event. Yes, I'm still using Branson's laptop. You can see his little CTSV in the background. Picture I took, of course. Shout out Branson for loaning me your laptop for the last 6 months. Oh my God. Alright, so all we've got to do, put the camera down here. We're going to plug the Diablo into the laptop. So we're going to plug that in. And I've got to actually pull up my email, get the tune from Tim, the new file here. So we've got to pretty much get the file, download it to the laptop, drag it from the laptop onto the Diablo, and then we can actually load it up into the car. Alright, so I got the file on the desktop. Just going to simply drag it onto here. You see he named it as E85 code fix. So that is on there, so it should be on the Diablo. So there it says custom tune has been loaded. Continue. So we're going to put it in accessory, turn the downloader on, go to tuning. I don't know if you guys can even see this. I think you can. Alright, so you turn it to accessory, then to run. Don't touch the brake pedal, that way the car doesn't start. Unfortunately, you have to have the door open. It's under custom tuning. Install tune. Then you want to find it. So here it is, code fix. So we'll skip that because the TCM tune's already installed. So we just need to install the actual PCM tune. Alright, so it's currently writing the tune. Takes a couple minutes. Alright, so then it has you turn the car off, then hit continue. Pulls this up, says turn ignition on, or put it into run mode, but do not start the engine. So we'll put in run, hit continue. It's going to finish writing it to the PCM. Then it's going to have you turn the ignition off again. Hit continue. Then into run mode again. Continue. So we're taking it on a little test drive, make sure everything's okay, and I picked up a stranger along the way, which is, look at that! It's Kennedy, oh my gosh!
You picked me up off the corner.
Yeah, the corner of Lubbock. So I gotta run to the store, get a couple things. Anyways, we're gonna take this for a little test run. Just a little baby pull, you know what I'm saying, girl? And there's a cop right there. Hey, buddy, how you doing today? Look at this self-made hood scoop on this dude's truck. Kennedy, thoughts?
You gotta do, you gotta do.
Alright, so we just had to pick this up because Kevin's expel keeps coming off on the mirror. So, I don't know what's going on, but they one-piece it, whereas my wrap is actually two-pieced on the mirrors. That's the way the Misa did it and stayed on, so I don't know if maybe they need a two-piece the expel, but had to get them some goof off to get some of the adhesive off. And Kennedy, thoughts today? How you feeling today?
I'm just really hungry.
Yeah, Kennedy needs food, like always. But yeah, short and sweet video today. Just wanted to update you guys. Like I said, I do have the diff brace to install. Got that today, and I got the shorter sway bar end links. Holy fuck! That speed bump was gnarly, Jesus. So, got that stuff to install, so we'll do that on a separate video, but hopefully you guys like that little intro. We did a cold start with the Demon Challenger and Charger. It was pretty loud.
I missed out on that one.
Yeah, you really did miss out. So, make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Banby39. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Kennedy hasn't even subscribed yet. I'm still waiting for her to subscribe.
No, I'm not going to.
If you guys want to see Kennedy drive the Hellcat with the new mods, comment down below, because I don't really want to let her drive it, but she really wants to drive it. I don't know. She's a crazy-ass driver.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.